Now we'll see how to derive a problem in variation method. The problem is evaluate the ground state energy of a harmonic oscillator of mass m and angular frequency omega using the trial wave function phi of x is equal to cos pi x by 2a, where x lies between minus a to a and it is 0 if it is greater than a. This problem I have taken it from Quantum Mechanics by Arul Das. So the trial wave function is phi of x equal to cos pi x by 2a. In order to make it as a normalized one, I have put n. The Hamiltonian of the harmonic oscillator is h is equal to minus h cross square divided by 2m d squared by dx squared plus half m omega squared x squared. The first part is your kinetic energy, second one is the potential energy. This equation you know. So the expectation value you have to find using this trial wave function. So now you find out the normalized wave function. Okay. So phi is equal to n cos pi x by 2a. Now you have to normalize it. So now you have to find out the probability of the phi. So it is equal to n squared and the probability of cos pi x by 2a. So in general you can write it as n squared integral from minus infinity to infinity psi squared dx. Okay, but here it is given that it is cosine function and it has a value only from minus a to a. So this is equal to n squared integral from minus a to a cos squared pi x by 2a into dx. Now we have to integrate this. So you know cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos square theta can be written as cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2. So it is equal to n square divided by 2 integral from minus a to a cos pi x by a plus 1 into dx. If you integrate the first term, it is a by pi sin pi x by a. You have to substitute the limit minus a to a. If you integrate the second term, it is x and you have to substitute the limit minus a to a. If you substitute the limit in the first term, it becomes 0. And if you substitute the limit for the second term, it becomes 2a. So it is equal to n squared into a. So the probability is equal to n squared into a is equal to 1. Therefore, n is equal to 1 by a the square root. So phi is equal to square root of 1 by a cos pi x by 2a. I will find the expectation value of h. So that is equal to minus h cross square divided by 2m into the expectation value of d square by dx square plus half m omega square, the expectation value of x square. First you will find out the expectation value of d square by dx square. And you substitute the value of phi, so it becomes 1 by a cos pi x by 2a d square by dx square and the get value of cos pi x by 2a. Here d squared by dx squared is nothing but d by dx of d by dx. So first you differentiate cos pi x by 2a, you can get minus pi by 2a sin pi x by 2a. Once again, if you differentiate, it is minus pi by 2a the whole squared cos pi x by 2a. So the expectation value of d squared by dx squared is nothing but minus 1 by a pi by 2a the whole squared and the probability of cos pi x by 2a. So it's equal to minus 1 by a pi by 2a the whole squared and the probability of cos pi x by 2a. Already you have found this, it is equal to a. So the expectation value of d squared by dx squared is minus of pi by 2a the whole square. Now we find out the expectation value of x squared. And also you substitute the value of phi, then it is equal to 1 by a. Then the expectation value of x squared, that is equal to 1 by a integral from minus a to a x squared cos squared pi x by 2a into dx. And this cos squared can be written as cos pi x by a plus 1. So this is equal to 1 by 2a integral from minus a to a x squared cos pi x by a into dx plus 1 by 2a integral from minus a to a x squared dx. First you take the first term, and that I have taken is I. I is equal to minus a to a x squared cos pi x by a into dx. This is of the form integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. So here u is your x squared and du is 2x dx. And dv is cos pi x by a dx, and v is a by pi sin pi x by a. So I is equal to a by pi x squared sin pi x by a, and you have to substitute the limits minus a to a minus 2 a by pi integral from minus a to a x sin pi x by a dx. And here if you substitute the limit, this becomes 0. So next we have to find out the second integral. So the second integral is I is equal to minus 2 a by pi integral from minus a to a x sin pi x by a dx. That I have taken as minus 2a by pi into I1. I1 is integral from minus a to a x sin pi x by a into dx. This is also of the form integral u dv. So u is x and du is dx, and dv is sin pi x by a dx. So v is minus a by pi cos pi x by a. So I1 is equal to minus a by pi x cos pi x by a, and you have to substitute the limit minus a to a plus a by pi integral from minus a to a cos pi x by a dx. And now you substitute the limit for the first term, it becomes minus a by pi minus a plus a second term, if you integrate, it is a by pi the whole square sin pi x by a, and substitute the limit minus a to a. So the second term becomes 0. So you can get 2a into a by pi. So I is equal to minus 4a into a by pi the whole square. And also if you integrate the x squared term, x squared dx, it is equal to x cube by 3, it is equal to 2a cube by 3. So the expectation value of x squared is a squared into minus 2 by pi squared plus 1 by 3. So now you find out all the values and substitute in the expectation value of h. It is equal to minus h cross squared divided by 2m minus pi squared by 4a squared plus half m omega squared a squared minus 2 by pi squared plus 1 by 3. And it becomes h cross squared divided by 8m pi squared by a squared plus 1 by 2m omega squared a squared pi squared minus 6 divided by 3 pi squared. And this is the Hamiltonian. Actually, in the trial wave function, you have to change the value of the parameter in the trial wave function in such a way that you have to find out the minimum value of the expectation value of h. So in order to find out this, you are differentiating that value with respect to a and equating it to 0 and finding out the value of a. So here I have differentiated with respect to a and making it to 0, and find out a power 4 is equal to h cross squared divided by 4 pi squared m squared omega squared into 3 pi squared divided by pi squared minus 6. So here a is pi square root of h cross divided by 2m omega into 3 by pi squared minus 6 whole power 1 by 4. Now you substitute this a value in the equation 17. We can get the expectation value of h, that is the minimum value, is equal to h cross omega divided by 2 into pi squared minus 6 whole power half divided by square root of 3. This is the Hamiltonian using the trial wave function, the cosine function. Thank you.